Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to enable Lossless audio on Spotify. If you want to enable Lossless audio on Spotify, first thing, make sure you have a premium subscription because Lossless streaming is only for premium users. Also, check that your Spotify app is updated and that you're in a region that supports this feature. Once that's sorted, open Spotify, go to your profile in the top left corner, tap the settings, and then let's click on privacy and settings. Scroll down to audio quality, sometimes under media quality, and here's where the magic happens. You should see options for low, normal, high, very high, and if your account supports it, a lossless hi-fi option. This uses LAC up to 24-bit 44.1 Hz so your music will sound way closer to the original recording. Just select Lossless for Wi-Fi or cellular, depending on how you want to stream. Once it's enabled, your favorite tracks will play in much higher quality, perfect for noticing the small details in your songs you love. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.